channel. So today I'm going to do something a little different. We're not going to do hair tutorials or anything like that. I want to talk to you guys about a brand new foundation that I recently had my eyes on, and it kept coming up on my Facebook feed. So I thought I would give it a try, and I actually love it. So I wanted to share this with you guys. And I was gonna just do a little demonstration of how well it covers. It's got some really good ingredients in it, so just wanted to share this awesome foundation with everyone. I do have a clean face. I just washed my face. Monat recently came out with a new skincare line. I'm usually super red, which is why I bought this foundation in the first place, because it's supposed to have a lot of good ingredients. I have really sensitive skin, and I get dermatitis on my nose, which you can kind of see maybe a little bit, but I got this because I wanted to try to cover the redness. And in all the videos, like usual, like when you see pictures and videos online, everything always looks really good. So it looked great, so I purchased it for that reason. I've been using this Monat, the Be Gentle line, which is a new moisturizer, and I've been using it for 3 days now, and pretty much all of my dermatitis is gone. So I don't have any makeup on right now at all. I don't have any foundation. I just washed my face. So I'm just gonna start with this moisturizer. I'm gonna put this on, and then I'm gonna show you guys the coverage that this has. I did kind of guess as far as what color to get. They have probably, and I'll have to confirm this, but I'm thinking like 10 shades maybe. And I try to get more of like a neutral, because my neck has more of, I would say, like yellow undertones, and a lot of times because of the dermatitis, my face gets really, really red and has pink undertones, and I hate the pink undertones. So I guessed, and I think I actually purchased the right color. So I'll let you guys make that decision after you see it on myself, and you guys can see what you think. But this moisturizer is really, really great. I got the super hydrating one because I have very, very dry skin, and I love it. It's really good. So again, I've only been using it for 3 days. I'm expecting to get more stuff in the mail. I got the rest of the skincare line, so I'm going to try the rest of it and see how I like it. I'm just really picky, again, because of this area on my nose, especially in the winter months. I get these little bumps, and it gets like super red, and it's just really weird, and it's hard to cover with makeup. I already put my eye makeup on. I didn't do any lower mascara yet, just because I want to try to get under my eyes really good. I got some dark circles a little bit, so again, I feel like this stuff has been really good for dark circles and everything. So this is the name of the foundation. It's called Yensa Color Plus Face Skin on Skin BC Foundation. It's BB plus CC plus full coverage foundation plus 8 super black essence plus SPF 40. It's got a lot of stuff in it. A lot of great things in it. It's got the super black. So I was reading the ingredients, and it's got a lot of different extracts and stuff like that. I'm trying to remember some of the ingredients that I remember seeing, but it had really, really good ingredients in it. So I was kind of hoping it would help like with the redness and all that good stuff. I don't know why I'm putting this on my finger. Let me put it here. I'm gonna use my beauty blender, just because I like to just dampen this a little bit. I feel like it helps kind of blend it a little better, and I also like that dewier look. So just to show you guys, I think the color is really, really good as far as the tone. It's called light neutral, so I think it's the second from the lightest. And I always have to remember that whenever I do this makeup on the computer, everything's backwards, so I'm not used to this. You guys have to get used to this. And it does cover. You guys can see, I have to get really close up. You can see like just that's a brown spot right there. I've got a lot of freckles on this side of my face, and then of course the redness that I have around my nose. So, and I usually get like kind of red down here. That's my main skin issue. I've never really had a lot of skin issues aside from just the redness that I recently started getting in the past year. I just have really dry skin. I don't have acne issues or anything like that. My main issue has always been dry skin. So I always try to just use really, really heavy moisturizers, which was probably not the best for the dermatitis. So that's why I'm excited to try this new line from Monat and see if that helps with the dermatitis. It's possible that this is, I don't know, maybe not. I was gonna say it might be a shade light. I was darker down here a few weeks ago when I first purchased this, because we had just gotten back from Mexico. So my face was looking a little bit lighter than my neck, but I think now I'd say it's a pretty good match. And everything is so backwards in here, so forgive me whenever I'm trying to like figure out which side of my face to do. But it does have a nice dewy finish, which I like. So if you don't like a dewy finish, I believe they do have other ones on their website. They have a lot of different choices with foundations. I wanted this one specifically for the coverage, the ingredients. I liked that it was like a CC cream, but it was a full coverage. So that's why I wanted to try this. But they do have other things on their website that you can choose from. And they also have a primer that I want to try. I'm usually pretty lazy with my makeup routine, so I don't put a lot of time into it. And I don't usually use a primer, but it would probably help if I did. I mean, you guys can see that the amount of coverage, it covered that a little bit. I would say probably 50% coverage. So let me put a tiny bit more. I wouldn't really care to like cover it 100%, but just to show you guys, I think this is a very natural coverage, which is I like. I don't like super heavy foundation. And I'm sure the more you put on, it's probably buildable. But I think it does a good job. I like it. I used to use the It Cosmetics. That's been the only foundation I could ever use. I think see how dewy it is, and I think it makes a difference with this also. But the It Cosmetics was really good for my skin type. It does give it a nice like dewy feel also, and I like the color of it. It was just easy. I always just applied it with my fingertips. It was a simple one. It was a little heavier, I think, than this was. And I just wanted to try this because of the ingredients that were supposed to like kind of help maintain like the redness and the pinkness of my skin tone. So that's why I wanted to try it. And overall, I do like this a lot more. I will say the only negative is this little teeny tiny thing right here, I think cost me $15. I do plan on getting the larger one. I don't remember offhand what the larger one cost. It's a little pricey. Like whenever I saw this and I got it in the mail and I opened it, I was like, oh my God, like that right there for $15. So, I mean, it's a little pricey, but I do like it. I think it's worth it. It is, I mean, I think it's totally worth it. So I'll buy it again. So I'm going to go ahead. This kind of gives you an idea if you guys can see the finish. I think it covers well. Again, you guys, I'm not a makeup expert whatsoever, so I don't know, like full coverage to medium coverage. I would say maybe medium to full. I made it, there's still I don't think, I mean, you really can't see it too much. I've got a white spot there also, but I think it covers well for what I need. You professional makeup artists, you guys might see things that I don't see, but I like it. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish the rest of my face. I've got my eye makeup on, like I said, so I'll finish the rest of this. But I like this stuff a lot. Another thing I don't usually do is a setting powder, just because when you start aging, like myself, you start getting like, I got a lot of like fine lines, like one here, and I've got some around my eyes. And I feel like whenever I use a setting powder, it just brings out my lines more. So I don't usually do one, but again, and I like the dewy look. So I feel like whenever I put the powder on, it kind of takes away from the dewiness. Trying to do this all backwards, which is interesting. I gotta get better at this, don't I? But I am excited about this new line that we just came out with Monat. I've seen so many awesome reviews from other customers that have used the products. They've been out for only a few weeks now, and I've seen some really, really good before and afters, especially with the, there's the smoothing eye cream that I've seen some awesome results with. Oh, there's my dog. Hi, Tazzy. I'm going to do my eyebrows really quickly. I don't want to spend too much time on these. And just in case you guys want to know what I use blush-wise, you probably don't care, but just in case you do want to know, I use LA Colors from the Dollar Tree. That's how low maintenance I am when it comes to my makeup. LA Colors bronzer. I love this bronzer. I think it works great on my skin, so I like it. But and then this right here, this brow pencil is called, I think it's Color Lab Shape and Shade. It's like a super duper fine point, fine tip, which is what I like. Because I don't really have a lot of brows over on the side. And again, I am no professional when it comes to makeup. Super low maintenance. I just do usually my makeup in like 10 minutes every day. So I'm not like amazing when it comes to brows and choosing shades and all of that good stuff. But I do like this pencil. Oh my God, somebody's mowing the lawn. Sorry about that, you guys. It's a lot of background noise, probably. But to go back to the Monat skincare line, I will be doing more videos as soon as I get mine in, because you know I like to give you very honest reviews on stuff. I'm super picky when it comes to skincare because of the issues that I have, like with some ingredients and products. But I do know that they're using very natural ingredients, just like the hair products, and it's plant-based, and they also use the Rejuvenate oil, which I use on my face all the time, especially in the winter months. So that's infused in all of the skincare products. So I'm excited. I think it's going to be amazing. And like I was saying with the, hopefully those are straight enough, with the smoothing eye cream that I saw results of, that stuff looked awesome. People's eyes, like some girl did one side of her face, she did one eye, and the other eye she did not do. And one eye was completely lifted, and she had like major bags. She even did a video, which I like because I feel like sometimes we don't know if things are photoshopped. So she did the video, and this eye had like a huge bag, and this eye had no bag at all. So I'm really excited to use it. I don't really have like big bags, so I'm probably going to try to find a friend of mine that maybe does and see if I can try it on her. And I'm going to try it on the fine lines because I've got a lot of crow's feet. So I'll see how it works with my crow's feet. And I will give you guys a review on that. I cannot wait to try it. So that company, I'm telling you what, they're always coming out with something new and something that's never been done before, which is what I love about them. This mascara right here is the L'Oreal Voluminous. It's always my favorite mascara. I've tried a million different mascaras, and I always go right back to this one. I've been using this one since I've been like 16 years old, so I've been using this for a very long time. This is good stuff. And I've also been using the Monat Eye Wonder, which helps with lashes and brow growth. So I do use that just to kind of help my brows or my lashes, just thickens them up. I already have really long lashes, but it does help make them a lot fuller. I can tell the difference when I stop using it from whenever I am using it. So that's good stuff. This is the Benefit. This is just an old highlighter I used to purchase a long time ago. And then my favorite lip gloss is the Cosmetic. This is like, I don't know what it's called, Vitality, I think. And it's clear and it goes on kind of a pink. Super moisturizing. Really good stuff. That's what it looks like, just like that. So this is my foundation. I love the foundation. Again, very dewy. You guys can see what my skin tone is. Matches my skin tone. Gets rid of, I don't see any redness on my face. Again, I feel like the moisturizer has helped because, again, like before the video, I didn't really have a lot. And usually I have really horrible dermatitis around my nose. So I feel like that's helped cleared it up. So hopefully that keeps getting better. And this is the Yensa. So if you guys want to try this, a little sample right here is $12 to $15, I believe. And I will also put a link below so you can go to their website and place an order. Try it for yourself and see if you guys like it. So I will be making more videos regarding the new skincare line. And I hope you guys like this video. Make sure you subscribe, like my video, and I will talk to you soon. Bye, guys.